Hello everyone, my name is Cam and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called hHome. This plugin lets you add a fully configurable home system to your Minecraft server. Some of the cool configurations that are included into this plugin is the ability to have multiple homes, has title and sound support, and adds a rename and transport home system. Starting out, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. Another great feature of this plugin is that all the settings and actions can be done in-game from the main menu using the command \homes. After restarting, join your server and type the command \homes. This will pull up the GUI. Here you can see a list of your homes, and you can also set a home. To set a home, click on the green plus and type a name for your new home. After creating it, it will show up in your home list, and here you can change the home settings and even teleport to the location. And that is what this plugin has to offer. If you have any more questions, we will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can incorporate the hHome plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.